In this short video, ipapakita ko sa iyo kung ano nga ba ang Diary of a Pulubi Book Review. Manatili lamang hanggang sa dulo ng video na ito dahil meron akong ipamimigay sa iyo na makakatulong para sa pag-aaral mo tungkol sa pag-invest. Ano nga ba ang Diary of a Pulubi Book Review? Dito, we can learn how to spend without being broke through 22 money lessons of Chinkee, which will help you become aware kung ano ang buying habits at patterns natin, bakit tayo obsessed bumili kahit hindi naman natin kailangan, paano makakaiwas sa temptasyon, ano ang tamang diskarte para makaipon now at guminhawa later. So, para malaman natin kung ano-ano yung mga 22 money lessons, papakita ko ang preview, ang shopping now, Pulubi later, magarbong kasal now, Pulubi later, yabang now, Pulubi later, upgrade now, Pulubi later, ayaw magbaon now, Pulubi later, party now, Pulubi later, sobrang matulungin now, Pulubi later, asyong aksaya now, Pulubi later, travel now, Pulubi later, kape-kape now, Pulubi later, pasalubong now, Pulubi later, bonggang date now, Pulubi later, utang now, Pulubi later, pa-beauty now, Pulubi later, credit card now, Pulubi later, pagpapautang now, Pulubi later, 17 gadgets now, Pulubi later, celebrate now, Pulubi later, walang bank account now, Pulubi later, kain sa labas now, Pulubi later, takaw tingin now, Pulubi later, at ang tambay now, Pulubi later. So ito ang 22 money lessons on how to avoid becoming broke ni Chinkee. So about the author, Chinkee is a top Filipino motivational speaker, wealth and life coach whose goal is to inform, educate, motivate, and disturb. His vision is to help people become financially literate and debt-free. For more info about Chinkee, please visit his fan page at FB, Twitter, and Instagram. Also, follow his Viber public chat group, search Chinkee and Vision Chinkee on YouTube for more news and encouragement. If you want to buy his book, just click the link below to get the copy of the book. Para naman, to get my free ebook about 5 easy steps on how to invest mutual funds in the Philippines for beginners, just type. You can get my free ebook by typing in the comment Filipino Mutual Fund Investors and I will send you the link para sa aking free ebook. So thank you and have a great day everyone.